Okay, so this is the first year that we decided to do the Ruth Stout hay mulch garden method. Normally you're supposed to start this in the fall. We did not. We only decided this spring that we were going to do it. So we didn't know quite how to go about it. We bought the gigantic bale of hay thinking that the quickest way would be to roll the hay all over the garden in the big bale and then just make the rows and spread the hay after that. That was a mistake. Do not recommend doing that for a few different reasons. Number one, we have to take all the hay out again to make the rows, and that is a lot of hay off onto the side that was initially, all of this was on the garden. It's a lot of hay, and I still have to do this side. So it did not save work. It created a lot of work because I have to empty half the hay that we rolled on to make the rows, as I said. The other problem is with doing the big bale of hay, not only did it create that problem, but this problem. This is all grass seed. If we would have just taken the hay like this and just spread it onto the garden by hand in between the rows after we made our rows, a lot of that grass seed would have shaken out, landed on the ground. Instead of rolling the bale on our dirt directly, it dropped all the hay seed into the ground. I'm hoping that won't be a problem. What I'm trying to do as I go is I'm going like this and trying to spread the seed under the hay to prevent all this from growing. And then as I go, may have to weed the seed. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe the vegetables will grow a lot faster. And then once they start growing, we're putting the hay up to the vegetables anyway, and that could keep the grass hay seed from growing. But we don't know yet. It's our first year. So in first year of doing it in the spring versus laying the mulch in the fall like you're supposed to, so that it compacts and the seed dies and all of that. I'm trying to make track of what we've done wrong. So I'm not the great videographer, but I'm rambling a little bit, but that's some of the mistakes there so far.